Here are the puppies today. They are 6 weeks old. This is Dad, Legend. Legend! He's a very big boy. And here's Mom with one of the puppies. This is Angel, I believe. She's a girl. Then over here, they're not facing me, so I don't know who I'm looking at. There's Big Bertha sleeping. This is another girl sleeping. Then over here, we have Joker. We have Ed Hardy in the back. These two are already sold. Hey, Joker. Say hi. He's tired. They got their shots today and their health certificates today. Hey, Angel. Hey, sweetie. This is another girl that we have available. All three of these are girls. And Daddy is just kind of spending the day with them, relaxed, hanging out. We spoil them. They come out here for the afternoon after they eat and poop and everything else. They come over here for relaxation and nap time. We have water. There's Daddy with his daughter. Mama making sure everybody's clean. And that's the whole litter. All 8 of them. Sleeping and relaxing. Those two are supposed to be sleeping, but they're not. They're gonna get in trouble. That's Angel, the one on the top, playing. Mm-hmm. And this is one happy family. See, everybody's here. No fighting, no playing, no roughhousing. Nobody's abusing anybody. There's blankets on the floor. Plenty of food and water. They make accidents, so what?